Welcome back to Car Explorer. Today, we are diving into one of the most anticipated supercars of 2026, the Lamborghini Revuelto. This car is the pinnacle of Lamborghini's innovation, combining stunning design, cutting-edge technology, and performance that redefines driving excitement. From the exterior to the interior, every detail has been crafted to deliver an unforgettable experience. Starting with the exterior, the Revuelto is a masterpiece of aerodynamics and aggressive styling. Lamborghini has maintained its iconic design language while introducing futuristic elements. The sharp lines, sculpted body panels, and angular front fascia give the car a dynamic, predator-like presence, even when it is standing still. Full LED headlights provide excellent illumination while complementing the bold design. At the rear, the integrated spoiler, quad exhausts, and aggressive diffuser make it clear that this car is built for performance. The dihedral doors, a hallmark of Lamborghini, provide a dramatic entrance that turns heads wherever it goes. Every angle of the car emphasizes speed, luxury, and Italian craftsmanship. Moving inside, the Revuelto continues to impress with a driver-focused cabin that combines luxury and technology. Premium materials like Alcantara, carbon fiber, and fine leather give the interior a sporty yet refined feel. The cockpit keeps the driver fully engaged with a fully digital instrument cluster, a customizable HUD, and a central infotainment system that is intuitive and responsive. Comfort has not been sacrificed for performance. The seats are ergonomically designed with multiple adjustments, heating options, and excellent support. Ambient lighting and a premium sound system enhance the experience, whether cruising in the city or pushing the car on the track. Storage space is limited, as expected in a supercar, but Lamborghini ensures every inch is functional and stylish. Performance is where the 2026 Lamborghini Revuelto truly shines. It features a hybrid powertrain that combines a naturally aspirated V12 engine with electric motors, delivering extraordinary acceleration and efficiency. The combined output exceeds 1,000 horsepower, allowing the Revuelto to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2.5 seconds. Handling is razor-sharp with all-wheel drive and advanced suspension systems that provide maximum grip and stability at high speeds. Active aerodynamics further enhance performance by adjusting downforce and airflow based on driving conditions. The exhaust note is pure Lamborghini, thrilling both driver and onlookers. Every detail has been engineered for precision, making it a thrilling experience on the road or track. Finally, the pricing reflects its exclusivity and advanced engineering. The 2026 Lamborghini Revuelto starts at around $650,000, with customization options pushing the price above $900,000. This car is not just a vehicle. It is a statement, a piece of automotive art combining performance and luxury. Owning a Revuelto is about the experience, the prestige, and the joy of driving one of the most advanced supercars in the world. In conclusion, the 2026 Lamborghini Revuelto is a perfect combination of innovation, power, and design. From its aggressive exterior to its luxurious, tech-filled interior, it delivers an unparalleled driving experience. Its hybrid V12 engine redefines supercar performance with breathtaking speed and precision handling. While it is expensive, every dollar reflects the engineering excellence, exclusivity, and thrill it offers. For supercar enthusiasts, the Revuelto is the ultimate dream realized. If you enjoyed this in-depth review of the 2026 Lamborghini Revuelto, make sure to like, subscribe to Car Explorer, and turn on notifications so you never miss our detailed car reviews and updates on the latest supercars.